A very good morning, students. Students, as you know that we had already started this lesson number 8, the land of sand. When we think about desert, what are the things that come to your mind? You have to fill few words that immediately come to your mind when you think about desert. Students, by now you must have thought about many things. Of course, desert means sand, desert means oasis, desert means camel. As you know, it is filled with sand. There are sand dunes, there are dust storms in deserts. You have camels, which is the most important animal in the desert. It is called the sheep of the desert. Then you have other animals too, like scorpions. They are found inside the sand. Then you have very less vegetation over there. You all know that because the soil is sandy, so there will be almost no vegetation. Only some date palms you will find in deserts, and cactus, and maybe in our deserts you find kejri and kikar and babul in the third desert, but other places in the deserts all over the world, date palms are found. In Arabian Peninsula especially, this you get good quality of dates, you all know that. So they mainly grow in the places where the underground water comes to the surface, and you know that is called an oasis. So if the word desert comes to my mind, these are some of the words that I can think about. I can think about sand, dust storms, very common in deserts, camel, as I told you, ship of the desert, oasis, where the water comes to the surface. Then you have the sand dunes, and then you have cactus, date palms, and scorpions. So these are some of the things that I immediately, when the word desert comes to me, I think of these words. Okay, so you can fill up the words that are related to desert in the textbook, where you have to write some of the words in the startup of this lesson that comes to you immediately when the word desert comes to you in your mind. Okay, so fill this in your textbook.